In this video, I'm going to show you how to send offer letter in BambooHR. Now, the first thing you want to do here on your dashboard, of course, is to find the person you want to send the offer letter to. So I'm going to go to over here on the left where you can see hiring, and I'm going to click on it. Now you'll see a bunch of different data in here. That's because I'm viewing sample data, as you can see. So don't worry, I'm not actually leaking anyone's information. This is just some demo data for tutorial purposes only. And then from here, I'm just going to click on this first option over here, and I'm actually going to click on this first person over here. Okay, so this person's name is Mark over here. I'm just going to click on them. So of course, whenever I do this, I'm going to open up their profile. You can select whoever you want, and then on the right, just below their star rating, you can see it says new. Now if I click on the new button over here, I can scroll down, and here it says create offer letter. So to do this, you want to click on it, and it's going to open up the create offer window over here, and of course you'll be able to basically create your offer. You can see their home email, and then you have the offer details and the letter, so you can just go ahead and type in the letter yourself. I do have like a template in here, and you can then select the expiration date, the job info, so the start date and the job title, as well as the compensation and stuff like that. So of course type all of that in there, and then when you're done, simply click on preview offer and send. Now these fields are going to be necessary. Of course, if you don't fill these out, you won't be able to proceed. So let me actually show you how to do this. There we go. I'm going to just select something random over here. I'm going to select per. Let's do maybe hour. I'm going to do like 40 over here. There we go. And then pay frequency, I'm going to do every other week. There we go. Now I should be able to actually go through and preview this. There we go. As you can see, it's going to allow me to preview, and you can of course read it again, and you can just go and click on send offer letter top right, and that's going to send your offer letter. So that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.